Alright guys, it's that time. Bad Apples 2022 flying. On my way down to Andersonville, Georgia to attend. Check out this guy's license plate, man. I love it. Hey, if you ever wondered what happens when you put a bunch of crazy paramotorists at a small location, this is the place.
Bucked up energy.
Made it to Hodges Field. I'm a couple of days early and just getting settled in. If you have not flown this field yet, you're really missing out. They're staking the ground to mark off the LZ, and it's pretty impressive how many campers there are here already. I'd say maybe 50, 60. The vendors are starting to set up. Weather's looking great too, with the exception of the wind. And I know it's an oxymoron, but I don't come to fly-ins to fly. I come to hang with my buds, meet people, and learn new things. When you go to your first fly-in, you'll see that fly-ins ain't just about flying. Tim here. Tim, where are you from?
I'm from Montana.
Montana?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to get here?
3 days, probably.
3 days.
For driving.
And this is your first fly-in?
Yes.
Welcome to Bad Apples.
Call it.
Go! Close call.
Bad Apples 2022, baby.
We're on a mission to find out what PAP stands for. Pierre Aviation?
That's what I thought.
What's PAP stand for?
First in flight?
First in flight. PAP stand for?
Parapiente something or another in Spanish.
Huh. What does PAP stand for?
Well, it's a wonderful thing, but take too long to explain. We'll have to get together in the future, and I'll give you the full explanation then.
It stands for pretty ain't perfect.
Yeah.
Say that again, Carson. What was that? Parapetine?
Yeah. Propulsion Auxiliary Parapetine.
Now, Carson knows stuff.
Okay. He knows stuff?
He does. He knows stuff. He knows Mart and Wolfe.
He lives with me now, so I just make things up like him. See?
You don't want me. You're filming my dog. I got you.
Nobody knows about this.
On the Wolfe wagon.
You guys are gonna play that with my show. This is Jim. Jim has a buddy. What's up, Jim? Yep. That decided it's got too many motors. Right. This was donated to Resurgence PPG.
No way.
Yep.
Man.
WillFly exclusive. Here, baby.
Hi, man. We got Tom here from Parajet.
Hello, everybody.
Fabrizio from Viderazzi Motor. Man, I love your motors. Nice. Thanks, Rupert. Wyatt, what's a tip you could give to someone who's struggling to take off and always breaking props and stuff like that?
Okay, so a lot of people break props. So actually, when you inflate, you want to run as fast as you can. And a lot of people don't run fast enough and like hop in their seat and sit down and break their props, right?
Yeah.
So basically what you want to do is you want to run full speed with your hands up, give it a little jab of brakes, smoothly though, and then take off. And then once you're sure you're up in the air, once you're done running, you can fly like 10 feet high, get into your seat, and then go fly away and have a great flight. Watch out for other pilots and just follow the flight pattern.
Right on, man. Thank you, dude.
Yep.
Miguel from Power2Fly. Any no-win launch tips for new pilots?
Well, with a wind like this, a low wind, I would advise to have a good preparation of the glider. Right. One of the tricks is to make it like a horseshoe thing. Then you give a little thrust on the engine to help you rising up the glider, and you will open by the center and then open the tips.
Awesome, man. Thank you. Okay. Hey, Shawn Nafzger, aren't you on paraglidingtalk.com?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up?
You got any tips for paragliders?
Yeah, you know, if you're ground handling your wings and you want to advance, pick the right times to get your glider out. You want the right tool for the right job.
Right.
If the winds are up, you want a smaller glider. If the winds are down, you want a little bit bigger glider.
And what were you saying about making a turn?
Always use your hips before you use your brake.
Right.
Look, lean, pull.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Hey, Justin.
My excuse. Yes, sir.
How often should you rebuild your carb?
Well, it depends on what type of fuel you're using. If you're using avgas or rut fuel that has no ethanol in it, you could probably get away with, 2 years. If you use ethanol gas, then it's going to be like once a season. It could be as quick as 6 months.
Prop repair here with some super glue. What else, Tim?
Baking soda.
Filling it in. And so what do you think? We have to do it a couple of times or what?
Yeah, 3-4 times and then sand it down
with some fine
sandpaper to smooth it all out.
Pretty easy fix, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us use your field.
You're very welcome.
It's awesome. That was the best freaking flying ever. I mean, what can I say? It was bad apples. 301 registered pilots, no serious injuries. Oh, just a ton of fun, man. Shout out to David Wolfe, Tim Gaskins, the whole Bad Apples community, man. Thank you for putting on an awesome event. I appreciate it. So next up, I'm gonna stop at Dairy Queen. Then I'm gonna hit another fly-in. I'll be sure to take good notes. And yeah, looking forward to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, ciao.
How y'all doing?